What exactly is this political rivalry between Argentina and UK that makes it such an intense battle tonight? Let me tell you the entire history of this place called the Falkland Islands. The story goes back more than 2 centuries. There was an island called the Falkland Islands, या फिर Argentinians call it Las Malvinas. This was a two-part island which was controlled by Spain and UK. During the Argentinian War of Independence, Spain finally leaves the occupation of the land and it comes under full occupation of UK. When Argentina become a young republic, उस टाइम पे अर्जेंटीना क्लेम देयर इनहेरिटेंस ओवर द लैंड बिकॉज एक तो वो स्पेनिश टेरिटरी थी जो कि अर्जेंटीना के अंडर लीगली आनी चाहिए, दूसरा जोग्राफिकली इट इज़ राइट नेक्स्ट टू अर्जेंटीना एंड नॉट नेक्स्ट टू यूके. फाइनली 1981 में अर्जेंटीना में एक मिलिट्री रूल चल रहा होता है और उस टाइम पे उनकी लोकल पब्लिक वाज वेरी डिसकंटेंट विद द गवर्नमेंट. द गवर्नमेंट यूजेस द इशू ऑफ द फॉकलैंड आइलैंड एज अ टॉपिक टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट द पब्लिक एंड ऑल्सो यूनाइट देम ऑन अ पेट्रियोटिक नोट. 1982 में अर्जेंटीना गोज ऑन अ वॉर अगेंस्ट यूके ऑन दैट आइलैंड. यूके डिप्लॉयज अ मैसिव अमाउंट ऑफ मिलिट्री. 700 Argentinians are killed, 300 Britishers are killed. Finally, Argentina surrenders. Now, with the wounds still fresh, the political tension still simmering, Argentina and UK meet at the 1986 World Cup a few years later in the quarter-final. First half होता है 0-1, but between the 50th and the 55th minute, two absolute iconic goals of the World Cup happen. Diego Maradona's hand of the God goal, जहाँ पे he goes for a header, actually ends up punching the ball. The referee does not notice it. He calls it a goal for Argentina. England still are very sour about that goal. And then 5 minutes later at the 55th minute, Diego Maradona scores the goal of the century. 2-0 Argentina go on to win the match. They go on to win the World Cup in fact. And since then, that match has been serving as a major point of rivalry between both these countries. Now since 2002, this is the first time Argentina and England are going to meet at the World Cup. The first time England is ever going to face this man called Lionel Messi. So the crowds are going to be intense. The two teams are going to be also at each other's faces. And let me tell you another interesting fact. Red card और yellow card ना अर्जेंटीना और इंग्लैंड के बीच में एक हुए मैच के बाद ही इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था. So expect an absolutely